going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies1000s.com. I'm making a video on this site, Dollarclix. I think it's a really good one just because it has a low cash out threshold and lots of different surveys and offers you can choose from. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on it. So right here, this is a surveys page. The surveys, they pay really, really good. You know, your surveys, that is a really good survey provider that is across a lot of get paid to sites. 75 points for each one of them. They don't take long. I say these are maybe like 10 to 15-minute surveys. They have the unlimited survey router, 80 points for those. Dynata, that's a really good one, 70 points. Sample Cube, 81 for that. And so the surveys, they pay really good. This isn't one of them where you're spending like, 20 minutes on a survey and making 13 cents. So like you can knock these out, one by one and, really make money with the survey section. When it comes to the offers, the offer walls, they had different ones you can choose from. So let me show you this real quick. So here again are all the offers, offer tour road, they're offering 10% more, ads and media, ad gate. I mean, all of these are really good ones. Theorem reach, they're offering up to $8 for each survey. They do have the qualification points in here. So if you, go through a survey and you get to a certain point where you're not able to complete it, they'll still give you something. InBrain.ai, they do the same thing. They give you these qualification points. So, definitely take a look at the offer walls. There's really good money into it if you just, pay attention to what you're doing. The Hideout TV and Ludl TV, those are ones where you're getting paid up to 1 cent for each video that you watch. So basically, this is really just passive income. You just kind of let the videos run in the background while you're doing a survey or another offer, and you can make your money pile up that way. So that's just how the survey section the offer walls and the survey section on this site work. Like you'll see here at the top, I have 15 cents in, cash, and I have 100 points. That 100 points is equivalent to $1. Like I told you, the minimum on here is $1 to cash out. That's why they call it Dollarclix. So let me show you the cash out process. First, let me convert my points over to cash. Let me do that. So right here, just put in 100 and convert that to cash. Now it should show $1.15 at the top. So there you see $1.15. So now let me go and actually withdraw. So now I'm going to go to withdraw cash. So you see here the minimum $1. I'm going to cash out $1.15. There's a 2% processing fee, which I don't care about that. So I'm going to click on withdraw here. So you see there, success, your withdrawal has been added to the pending list. Doesn't take long for you to get paid. It takes maybe, the same day, I would say, or the next day. So basically within 24 hours, you just wait for them to pay you. So, there you have it. It's another, quick get paid to site to use that you can add into your routine. Has a low cash out threshold, so you don't have to stack up, 5, 10, $20, all that kind of stuff. It doesn't take long to reach that. Just do some simple surveys. Their surveys, they pay, fairly well. The offers, like most offers, are just simply signing up for here, just username, password, email, stuff like that. So I mean, I encourage you to get involved with it. Just kind of, go through it. They offer disqualification points on some of the surveys. So definitely get involved. The link to sign up is in the description. Sign up today. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies1000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.